All right, let's talk about the latest breakthrough in AI. Google's Gemini AI, which has been making waves for a while now, just unlocked a whole new capability that changes the game: multi-stream visual processing. We're not talking about simple chat interactions here. This is about an AI that can process live video feeds and static images at the same time, all in real time. That's something no other AI has been able to pull off before. It's a milestone that pushes the boundaries of how AI sees and understands the world. We're going to break down what makes Gemini unique, why its visual processing skills are a game changer, and how it's going to impact everything from healthcare to education, and even robotics. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll understand why some experts are calling it the future of human-AI interaction. So, what exactly is Gemini AI? It's not new, but what is new is its ability to process multiple visual streams in real time. Think of it as Google's next-gen AI model that doesn't just handle text, it processes text, images, videos, and even audio simultaneously. Essentially, it's designed to see and understand the world like we do, but now with multi-stream capabilities that push it even further. One of the most fascinating demos came from an app called AnyChat. This app showed Gemini processing live video feeds while also analyzing static images at the same time. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that's not only listening, but also watching and understanding everything it sees in real time. That's a level of multitasking that no other AI has reached. It's not just about having an AI that can see and hear. It's about an AI that truly understands. Picture pointing your phone at a calculus problem and Gemini walking you through it step by step while also referencing a textbook you're holding. The potential applications are endless, and this multi-stream breakthrough opens doors we hadn't even considered before. But how does Gemini pull this off? Let's dive into the tech behind it. All right, let's get a little nerdy for a second. What makes Gemini's multi-stream capability so groundbreaking? It's all about its ability to process multiple visual streams at the same time. Most AI models, including GPT-4 Vision, can only handle one input at a time. For example, if you upload an image, it has to stop processing video. But Gemini? It doesn't have that limitation. This breakthrough comes from Google's DeepMind research. Gemini's architecture optimizes attention mechanisms, allowing it to track and analyze multiple visual inputs simultaneously without missing a beat. It's like having an AI with eyes everywhere, making sense of everything it sees in real time. Think of how useful this could be in real-world scenarios. A doctor could show Gemini a live video of a patient's symptoms while also uploading diagnostic scans. Gemini could analyze both inputs at once, offering real-time insights that no other AI can provide. For artists, this is a game changer too. Imagine collaborating with AI on a piece of artwork. You can show it your work in progress alongside reference images, and it will give you nuanced feedback in real time. We're talking about an AI that can multitask on a whole new level. What's even more exciting is that developers can replicate this capability using just a few lines of code with tools like Gradio, an open-source platform that integrates Gemini's advanced vision features. This means the possibilities for innovation are wide open, and anyone with the right tools can harness Gemini's multi-stream processing power. Let's start with education. Gemini could be a game changer in classrooms. Imagine students pointing their phones at a math problem, and instead of just giving the answer, Gemini walks them through the solution step by step. But what happens when it starts analyzing more complex subjects like physics or chemistry? That's where things get really exciting. Now, healthcare is another area that could see massive disruption. Picture a doctor analyzing multiple diagnostic scans, while Gemini provides real-time, AI-driven insights. In fact, Gemini has already been tested in diagnosing complex cases like glaucoma, and it performed exceptionally well. But here's the kicker. It's not just about diagnostics. Gemini could assist in surgeries, predict health outcomes before symptoms appear, and even offer personalized treatment plans. And then there's robotics. With its multistream processing, Gemini could power the next generation of robots that actually understand their surroundings. We're talking about autonomous vehicles that don't just see obstacles, they understand what's happening around them, making smarter and safer decisions on the road. Think about quality control in manufacturing. Imagine a system that compares live production output against reference standards in real time, flagging errors immediately. Or consider logistics, where AI could monitor package deliveries through live video feeds while cross-referencing shipment details for accuracy. And of course, let's not forget about consumer tech. Gemini is already being integrated into devices like Mercedes-Benz's MBUX virtual assistant. So next time you're talking to your car, it might just be powered by Gemini. But the real question is, what happens when it's in your phone, your home, and every device you interact with daily? Okay, it's not all perfect. Like any AI, Gemini still has its challenges. For example, it struggles with ambiguous visual inputs. Abstract images can throw it off. And while it's good at understanding straightforward scenes, it's not quite on par with human perception yet. And there's another catch. These advanced capabilities haven't made their way into Google's official consumer apps yet. Right now, they're only accessible through the Gemini API and experimental platforms, like AnyChat. So, there's still a gap between what Gemini can do and what's available to everyday users. But here's the exciting part. Google isn't stopping here. They're already working on Gemini 2.0, which is expected to take these multimodal capabilities even further. The big question is, how far can they push it? And what happens when AI starts understanding the world as well as we do, or maybe even better? If you're a developer, Gemini opens up new opportunities to build apps that combine text, images, and video in real time. But here's the exciting part. It could make those apps smarter than ever before. If you're just excited about AI, expect to see more human-like interactions across the platforms you use every day. Imagine an AI assistant that isn't just reactive. It's proactive, intuitive, and deeply aware of your context. And if you run a business, industries like retail, healthcare, and education are about to see massive productivity gains thanks to tools powered by Gemini. The question is, are you ready to embrace it? So, what do you think? Is Gemini AI the next big thing in how we interact with technology? Or are we not ready for AI that understands the world as we do? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got more exciting AI updates coming your way. See you in the next video.